welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a really quick unboxing and I don't know, maybe a little setup, maybe of my new pouch, and this is from Baum-Kuchen. So let me pull this out of here and we'll get started. I saw on their Instagram account that they had I don't know if these are, I don't think they're new. I think they're old, but they brought them back. I don't know. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, okay? I think that they, oh my gosh, they sent stickers. Oh, I love these. These are really cool. They're like that washi tape paper kind of thing. I love these. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a while. I eyeball them and then I end up buying something else, you know. But finally gave in and I'm excited. This is loud. I'll be right back. So look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. It's one of their engineer pouches. It's so freaking pretty. It's even better in person. It's got a little button there, or whatever. Oh, this is pretty stiff. This is the one with the pockets, so it's fairly big. It's so nice. Oh, it's roomy. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. It's a good size. Now, I got this because, excuse the state of my Delfonics. It is dusty and dirty and just whatever. As much as I love and adore this, my biggest issue is that stuff falls out of these front pockets. If I have it like this, it's fine, but the second it tilts, everything comes out, right? So you either have to clip in your pens, even though some of them, like Tombos, don't have a clip, you know what I mean? So I thought this would be a better alternative to that Delfonics. Now, let me compare the sizes. Well, first I gotta pull everything out of this sucker. And this is the stuff that I tend to use all the time. It's a lot. It does hold a lot of stuff. It's like a Mary Poppins bag. Just keep pulling stuff out. So, oh wait, yeah. So for size sorry, this is so chaotic. For a size comparison, that is the difference between the two. So this is just, you know, it's time to let it go. Oh wait, I keep my Hobonichi spoon right there. So yeah, I thought it would be a good idea to switch to this now that it's appropriately covered in dog hair. So let's throw my stuff in here and see how that goes. Now, it is big enough to fit a traveler's notebook, a standard size traveler's notebook. It fits in there just perfectly fine, actually. I'm like, why is this kind of weird? Why am I'm like seeing things? I don't know. Anyways, so this is my fountain pen traveler's notebook. I'm not going to be putting that in here, I don't think. Will I or will I not? No, I don't think so. It's just not something I'm currently using that much. I only really pull it out once a month, so I don't need to have it in here. So let's get started. Now, this is the stuff that I normally carry in my Delfonics, so we're gonna try and fit it in here. I wanted to start, so this is my little, maybe let me zoom you out a little bit. Okay, so first up we have my little transfer stick thingy for my rub-on stickers that I use all the time because I love them. So that's going in the pocket. Scissors. These are the ones I got from Daiso years and years ago, and they're still so sharp. Who would have thought, right? This is just a little paper trimmer thing I got from Michael's, I don't even know how long ago, but it's cool for like washi tape in very tight spaces kind of a situation. Of course, my little recollections paper trimmer thing. Again, this is something I've had for years. It's still going strong. It's a trooper. My Fomeno, is that what it's called? Fomeno, whatever, printer. I like it. My Sprocket, I like it less than the Ivy. I feel like it doesn't hold the battery charge nearly as long as the Ivy. I'm just saying. I have my, this is calligraphy paper from Daiso. Fantastic for fountain pens. So it's just always here. These are also Baum-Kuchen stickers. There's a whole bunch of them. And then I put the new ones in there because they're so cute. My Delgard pencil, mechanical pencil. Love it. My little Copic multi-liner. This is super, super fine tipped, like, yeah, needlepoint kind of a thing, but it's incredibly water resistant, waterproof. So yeah. Tombow. This is corrector or whiteout, however you want to call it. Let's see what else I have. For some reason I have also whiteout and eraser. This has been with me for so long. I think I'm just emotionally attached to it. Tombow adhesive strip thing, whatever. This is a little foam eraser that I got from Jet Pens, but to be honest, the ones from Daiso that are $1.50 are just as good. And no, this is not paid for by Daiso or sponsored. I wish. My glue stick, which I actually happen to love this sucker. It's really good. It's nice. Blackwing pencil, hence the erasers and the sharpener. This particular Tombow color, I use it in my Grimoire and my Book of Shadows, so that's why it's the only one there. I have a bunch of Tombows, but that's the only one I carry. The pencil sharpener for the Blackwing, because you never know. My date stamp from Baum-Kuchen and ink pad, because I sometimes use those in my journal. And lastly, if I wanted to, I could definitely fit my Keiko pen case. This is the 10 pen case where I keep my currently inked. It fits in there. With all of this, it fits in there, but it's a little tight. So I think I'm gonna hold off until the canvas softens a little bit more and it has a little bit more give before I stick it in there. But nothing falls out. Oh, glorious. That's just glorious. I love that, because as much as I love the Delfonics pouch, that drove me nuts. And there's still so much room for so much stuff in here. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm already like happy with this purchase. I'm glad that I made it before I decided to go on this no buy. I think I ordered it, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, but their shipping is a little slow right now, which is totally okay. Like, not a problem at all. It is totally worth the wait. So I am just happy. But yeah, I will link it down below. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.